G'day, here's a small deal of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Some piece, got a fine bar on the top of it there, goes back to about here. Grey base, so might get a nice cut stone out of it. This piece, crystal with a bit of flash in it there, light blue. Just need to cut these a little bit slower. See where the colour bar goes. There's a bar there. Wherever it comes through. Unfortunately there's clay mixed in with it, so just take your time with that. Another piece here. Bright greens. Again, it's got clay, so you need to just go slow and see where the opal runs and adjust your cutting to what you might get. Hopefully you get a nice little gem. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.